You know it's dangerous to put a knife in a toaster, right?
Yeah, of course. Everyone knows that. Why was that again?
Because like 400 people every year in the US are electrocuted, and an oddly high number of those incidents have to do with toasters.
Yeah, well, I know some stuff too.
Like what?
Like I read that more than 50,000 electrical fires occur each year, resulting in 500 deaths, 1,400 injuries, and like $1 billion in property damage.
Shocking as these statistics might be, most tragedies involving your home's electrical system are totally avoidable.
Follow these 10 tips to avoid getting an unwanted jolt of reality.
Avoid overloading outlets.
Unplug appliances when not in use.
Regularly inspect electrical cords and extension cords for damage.
Only use extension cords on a temporary basis, and never to power space heaters, fans, or major appliances like refrigerators, washers, dryers, stoves, and microwaves, which should be plugged directly into the wall.
Never run cords under rugs, carpets, doors, or windows.
Only use one heat-producing appliance, such as a coffee maker, blow dryer, or curling iron at a time.
Make sure you use proper wattage for lamps and lighting fixtures.
Have arc fault circuit interrupters, or AFCIs, installed in your home to shut off electricity when potentially dangerous electrical arc is detected in your home's wiring.
Install GFCIs, ground fault circuit interrupters, to reduce the risk of shock from outlets inside the home prone to wetness, i.e. bathrooms, kitchens, garages, and basements, and on all outdoor outlets.
Prevent electrical injuries to children by covering all outlets, making sure all wires are properly tucked away from reach, and be aware of small appliance hazards around bathtubs or pools.
Call a professional electrician to inspect your home's electrical system ASAP if you notice frequent blown fuses or tripped circuit breakers, a tingling feeling when you touch an electrical appliance, discolored or warm wall outlets, a burning or rubbery smell coming from an appliance, flickering or dimming lights, or sparks coming from an outlet.
Okay, that's all great electrical safety information and all, but how am I supposed to get my toast?